Destiny 23.0 has a new look, and I think you're going to like it. You'll notice right off the bat that the list of schools looks different. Simply choose your school just like you always have, and then click the login symbol in the top right corner. Then log in using the same username and password that you've always used. You will then see the back office view. This is where you'll likely live for the most part. Your navigation is now on the left side instead of across the top. It makes it really easy to switch back and forth within Destiny. Here's the catalog menu, circulation menu, reports menu, as well as the admin menu. Under the reports, you will now see enriched reports. When you click on it, it will create a new tab and you'll see the various enriched reports that you can run on the left. Once you create a report, you can bookmark it to run it again later. Bookmarked reports will show up over here. Let's go back to the initial tab we started in and click the menu where it says Back Office. This is where you can navigate to the different aspects of Destiny, notably Destiny Discover, which is the view your students should be accessing. Collections, where you can compile resource lists for students and staff. Discover Admin, where you can customize Destiny Discover for your students. Tidal Wave, where you can see book reviews of specific titles, create book lists, order new books, etc. And at the bottom, you'll see Follett Community. This is a great place to learn more about Destiny. If you don't have a login, it only takes seconds to create one. You might have noticed I skipped Site Dashboard at the top. This is a new feature and can be extremely helpful. There are two tabs. The first one is Library. Here you can see the active highlights and reporting. You can edit them and choose what you want to see on your dashboard. All you have to do is check which items you want to be visible. If you don't use interlibrary loans, ILLs, then you'll want to uncheck this box. The Destiny Discover, DD users, can be handy to see if your students and staff are actually using Destiny Discover. Under the reporting, the first three are great to turn on, and if you have genreified your library, then you'll probably want to have Library Circulations sublocations turned on. At the bottom, you can check this box and it will give you purchase recommendations based on what your students and staff are checking out. Be sure to save your configuration once you've completed your selections. The second tab under Site Dashboard is the Data Assistant. This is my favorite feature in this update. It enables you to use AI in order to answer data questions quickly. Just type in your questions in the chat box at the bottom. Your chats will be listed here on the left. Click on the New Chat button to start a new one. One thing to note, the AI feature is a free service for up to 100 queries per district. That's not per school, it's per district. Granted, the only ones using this AI feature will be the school librarians. Once your district has reached 100 queries, you will have to pay $200 per site per year to have unlimited queries. To get back to where we started, just go up to the waffle in the top right corner and choose Back Office.